Thanks for joining us here in the chat. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. Quick visit on the Wish stock. We'll see what's going on, and I'm going to give you my assessment of the performance over the past few weeks. So let's get into it. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new, we explore price action and price action only. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's August the 2nd, 2021, and the current price of Wish, WISH is the instrument, $10.33, slightly positive 3.9% for the day. Okay. All right, so welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the original lines. All right, so if you knew, we were just following a falling wedge pattern. We plotted out this interesting range for the investors to take into consideration and use it as educational purposes. And it looks like the market is trying to find itself back within this range in between $9.84 all the way up to $11.70. Will it ever get back to $11.70? I'm not sure. But the one level that I will give you in closing out the video here, hopefully a short video, $9.84. That's it. So I think in the last video post, we were kind of on this active candle here, July the 12th, and we were just saying that we're looking for closes above 984. It did the opposite. It did not close above that level. Even on the next week, it did not close above that level. But you kind of see that wick. I don't know if you guys, that's why I always kind of stress, well, not stress, but just kind of say that, you know, guys, study candlesticks or study some sort of interesting way of understanding fluctuations, because the way that I understand candlesticks, when I noticed this candle right here that came in on the week of like July the 19th, and you see like that wick at the top of the candle, that green wick, it's kind of like a hang glide, so to speak. I know it's kind of weird, guys, but the market is trying to stay within a approximate range of the $9.84 all the way up to $11.70. Maybe I have the range incorrect, right? Maybe I have to like kind of stretch it down a bit, but I'm pretty precise in the way that I find the ranges, so I'm going to leave it there for now, okay? So the one level, 984. Actually, let me show you one last thing before we close it out on the monthly candle as well, just to show you, because, you know, dude, that 984 is irrelevant, man. Just get it out of there. Well, actually, let me show you something there, bub. You see that monthly candle? It actually closed just above that 984. You see that? Just above it. $9.90. What does it close on that? 994 was the close on this monthly candle right here in July. Okay, so beautiful close right within this beautiful range that we had on the chart for some time. I think when the market was like $13 or $14. So 984, guys. Let's see if the market can hold above that level over the next week or so. If you see the steady climb to the upside, everything's looking fine. Even if there's a rejection, let's just say the market actually moves up to like 1170 and there's a rejection. I mean, that's fine, guys, as long as it's within 984. That's pretty much all I have. So, I mean, I know a lot of our videos, they some of them age well, some of them don't age as well, but I think it's just a matter of being patient and understanding the levels that we go over, and understanding that it takes time, because we still also, like, if you know, I also want to show you that we have a conservative price target that's not guaranteed to get there. Of course, you do your research there, right? $18. And the date that we have is a conservative consolidative phase, not the date that it will reach the levels that we have, the $18 and the $29. No, this is the date that will lead into the potential end of the consolidation phase, and then we should see some sort of breakout of the consolidation phase, which I'm going to assume the range will be within between 984 and 1170. So up until, again, November the 10th, just a rough estimate date. If it's November the 11th, hey, Napoleon, what's going on? Come on, guys. It's just an approximate date, all right? It may not even take that long. Just give it some time, and let's see how this market behaves, all right? It is up to the market participants, the buyer, to hold up the market above 984. And we should see some fireworks sometime before or shortly thereafter, November the 10th. This is the technical target, by the way, $29 out of the falling wedge pattern. If you know, just kind of explain everything so that we're all on the same page here, guys. All right, falling wedge, very bullish pattern. We did get the breakout here, the official breakout, June the 7th, assuming that this isn't an actual pattern. Okay. This could be some sort of delusional pattern. The market could be setting up to move significantly lower. I'm not all over the place. It's just giving the one level. Let's close the video out. $9.84. Let's give the market a good 2 to 3 weeks to, you know, develop and do whatever it's going to do. 984 is the level. If you don't have a weekly candle to close, you have to pull up your chart. Below 984, I'm going to assume everything looks fine. All right. So hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you can experience some sort of, you know, I don't know, just kind of use this as educational, guys, here in the next 2 weeks. All right, so let's close the video out. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So kind of subscribe to the bell. We'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, I thank you for your time. Stopping out with us. Be sure to execute your strategies in the market. Always be kind, and we'll talk soon. And bye for now.